Hey everybody, welcome back to Projects with Paul. Doing a little cleanup here down at the project house. You see it behind me. Got all the old door frames going up in flames. Trying to clean up. I'll head in the house and show you a little bit of progress. Been raining all day down here. It's finally quit. Give me a minute to burn some trash. I'm about to put this tub in here. Got the floor treated. Got the drain in. Tested the water pipes yesterday. No leaks, no issues. I had to glue on this apron right here, so I had to let that dry overnight. So I'm gonna set this camera down and lay this tub down in the hole. It's kind of a pain, but I did it once for a dry fit, so see how it goes. That wasn't too bad. Alright, got the tub sitting in place. You can see it's pretty level there. I checked it all the way around. I didn't bring my long level with me, but checked all four corners, both ends. I think it's going to be good. So now we just got to drill some holes, screw it to the studs. And once that's done, I can go buy the surround and get that installed. Alright, so much for now. We'll get back with you. Oh yeah, feels good in there. Alright, so we got all the new interior doors in. Turned out pretty good. Yeah, my buddy came down and did all these for me. I don't think it took him a half a day. The new bathroom door. And I showed you my new tub earlier. Got the drain installed, overflow. Still have to screw the tub into the studs. But it's in there, it's not going anywhere. So that's where we're at. I got the sheetrock up where I took out that wall in between the living room and dining room. So I got that all patched up. New baseboard down there. I got to do the other side. Got to redo this side. One piece of baseboard. And my buddy also put in my exterior door for me. It's pretty nice. It's got the blinds built in. You can raise and lower. And they're internal. Pretty cool. There's the old door there. Gotta haul it to the dump. But my wife started peeling this, you can see the red paint, the old red paint. Well, it's just peeling right off. So I'd rather get as much of that off as I can instead of painting over something that's going to peel off. A nice clean surface, nice smooth surface there. Just got to finish those two walls there and a little bit up there. But all that came off pretty easy. You can see the big pieces there. A little bit of a mess. We'll get it cleaned up. Got painters coming in a couple of weeks. They're gonna finish out my sheetrock repair. I told them I'd hang it if they could just finish it and match in the ceiling for me. They said no problem. They're good at that stuff. That's where we're at. Little update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.